What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted. Back with another quick video, man. This time we're gonna get into my pickup. I didn't get a chance to do this from last week during the weekday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I went back out to Vegas, hit the outlet over there. You might have seen it on the Facebook. You know, I tagged the location in there and found, I gotta say, me personally, a hell of a pickup, especially at a hell of a deal. So we're gonna get into it right here in the video. So stay tuned, we're gonna review it, get into it. You can let me know what you think about it. Stay tuned.
I do it. Hustle, 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 hustle.
What's good? We back. We're gonna get right into it right now. As you see, Nike outlet bag. Let's go ahead and pull it out. We can get right into it. As you see, size 14, description on the box, Air Jordan 13 Retro, Elemental Gold, Brown or Fundamental Bronze Barquay, which all boils down to the Air Jordan Wheat 13s, however you want to pronounce it. And as you see, most people, I'm sure you know, I believe if anything over a size 13, you get an additional 20% off at the outlets. So these were already $99 with an additional 20%. And these was the last one, so he gave me an additional 10%. And then on top of that, another 15% off because I made a couple of purchases not using the sneaker app, but they're all on there as far as just buying them in stores from previous purchases I have and some more purchases I haven't even did the videos for, which is about 3 more pair. Those will be coming soon. But so I wind up getting another 15 on top of that. So all in all for these, I wind up walking out the door paying, I want to say $74, which I believe is a major steal. Shout out to my boy Ron from Ron No Filter TV. I called him literally that night while I was still out in Vegas and I let him know about these. So shout out to him. But yeah, major steal, man. So we're gonna get right into it right now. And then I'll also give an in-depth look on them, just, you know, saying quality-wise and everything like that. And here's the receipt. Oh, scratch that. Total with tax, it wound up coming to $77. Still not bad, going from $99.99. So, and there you have it. Air Jordan Wheat 13s. Still has the plastic on the bubble there, the hologram. Oh yeah, and it got that material moving around. Real nice. Definitely clean bottoms, so they haven't been worn and returned. You know, I heard about a couple of that, you know, happening to a couple of people. Got that nice little material on them. Definitely worth it in my eyes. $77, definitely can't go wrong with that, so I definitely won't complain. Got the nice material. The tongue feels crazy. That's just ridiculous, the quality on them right now. But anybody who knows me, I'm a big Timberland guy, you know, and that big tan khaki light, you know what I'm saying, as far as, you know, clothes-wise and just the color. So these was a must-have, and, you know, them falling in my lap like that, definitely a good thing. So, but I'm not gonna hold y'all up, because me personally, I know you probably seen a million review on these because they've been out. I'm just now getting them. Glad I can get them retail for definitely way below the retail price, because I believe the going actual retail for them, as I see on here, come on man, $190. So I definitely hit a steal on that. So I'm gonna just give y'all a quick, you know, in-depth look at both shoes, you know what I mean? Let y'all take a glance at them, because like I said, I know y'all see them like that. I'm not gonna hold y'all up, but I definitely got a lot more pickups coming. A lot more pickups on the way. I got a couple of things in the mail on the way. Some more things here, just haven't had time to get to them. But I'm definitely gonna have time to get y'all an in-depth look at these. A good little couple of close-ups of these so y'all can check them out. Definitely below retail. One probably, I say, top 2 best deals I ever got as far as any of the shoes I have in my collection, which is a few. But these right here, yeah, definitely hit on these right here for sure. So $77, Air Jordan Wheat Retros. Let's get a close-up look at them so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Definitely worth it, in my opinion. What's up, y'all? Like I said, just want to leave y'all with one last quick close-up look of the Weed 13s. Not like you haven't seen them before, but just wanted to show you that quality is definitely still there. You know, everybody already has them. Late pickup for me, but for the price, like I said, still can't beat it. That material still coming crisp in A1. So like I said, for $77 and some change off of a $190 retail price tag, definitely can't beat that. So as I stated before, if you got you a pair and you like them like I like them, especially if you're a big Timberland in that boot light tan khaki color, I mean, you definitely gonna be happy with the purchase, man, because I'm a big boot wearer. But of course, you know, when summertime hits, not really a time to break out your boots. At least this is a shoe. You want to rock an outfit that you would normally rock with some Timbs or some, you know, that kind of colorway. This is the kind of thing that would, you know, help you get by that without having to break out your boots. So, like I said, just wanted to leave y'all with a quick look. Hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know what y'all think down below or what y'all finding out there in your town at the outlets, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one.